The train connection between Duisburg and China is very important. It began with one train per week, and now 30 to 40 trains per week are running between 15 industrial areas in China and Duisburg, and it is important for the jobs in Duisburg, and therefore the city of Duisburg welcome this connection and support the connection.
I think that the train connection between China and Europe is a more than valuable part of the international supply chains already, and it addresses an urgent need for a connection between the central parts of China and especially Germany, and that will be a huge step in the future as well. The trains have a huge impact on the development of trade between China and Europe, and for Duisburg and the port of Duisburg, it was a tremendous push for their development and their connections to and with China and our friends there.
我们非常高兴地看到，从中欧班列从无到有，从小到大，在短短13年间实现了质的飞跃，跨越式的发展。我们也希望中欧班列能够行稳致远，促进中德、中欧之间的务实交流与合作。